name is Christian, I'm with Waboba, and today we're gonna do the highest ever Waboba drop and being catched by our friends down there.
That's the plan in theory anyway.
Okay, that works fine from down here. Let's try from the top.
We'll give it a shot and see if we can do it. We have like 25 tries down here, so we're kind of limited on ammunition.
Lights out, fever run, non-stop, full on, gotta keep it going. Nobody hold me down. Nothing gonna stop me now.
From a standpoint of trying to be consistent and giving the guys down there a chance to catch the ball, we're being like really rude. Like we're not making it easy. Look out, look out, look out.
So, we are breaking the world record for the highest Waboba skip. It's getting quite intense actually.
It's not a good idea.
Can't tell me.
I think we need to reinforce our stick before we can start catching any of these because they're travelling at terminal velocity, I'm pretty sure.